Hello, my name is Raquel Minot, and I'm the community health worker from the Greenway Family Success Center. So today I've been invited to the Woodbridge Health Department to discuss the concerns and questions in regards to the children's vaccine with the wonderful nursing staff. So in talking to families in the community, a major concern was that the vaccine hasn't been around long enough for it to be properly studied on children. So are there any clinical studies publicly available and ongoing for the children's vaccine?
Well, before we give vaccines in the United States, there are 3 phases that they go through, and all of them must be approved, and they are tested. But if people want to see it in black and white, they could go to what's it called, clinicaltrial.gov.
Okay.
They could go online and they could see it in black and white what type of studies are done. But mostly to make it safe for children, and it is safe in the United States, that they go through 3 phases, which are tested on people, and everyone is safe to take the vaccine.
Okay, thank you. And that website is constantly updated?
Clinical.gov.
Clinical.gov.
They could go on there to check it out.
So another concern that came up in the community in regards to the children's vaccine is, do children need boosters also?
Yes, they do. They do need the booster, and normally it's given after the 2nd vaccine, which will be the 3rd.
Okay. And how long is that after the
5 months. It's given
months.
5 months after the 2nd vaccine.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
So another question from the community is, as they're young, will it cause any hormonal health problems, especially for girls?
After receiving the vaccine, studies have shown in some women and in adolescents a small temporary change in the menstrual cycle length that is thought to be brought on or associated with the body's response to stress. The vaccine is recommended for people who are pregnant, lactating, trying to get pregnant, or who might become pregnant in the near future. Those who are considering the J&J vaccine should be counseled about the risk factors of blood clots that can typically occur within the 2 weeks after receiving the vaccine. Women tend to report more side effects than men. Pfizer is the only vaccine approved for children.
So we know that when adults get vaccinated, they may get a sore arm, fever, and other side effects. Are there any side effects if a child were to get vaccinated? Will they get a high fever after getting the vaccine?
Well, we find mostly the complaints for children are a sore arm, injection site pain, which at the Woodbridge Health Department, we give a little ice pack out after each child's done. And fatigue. They complain of being tired the next day. Sometimes, some get nothing. Headache, which you can give Tylenol for if it's severe. And sometimes a low-grade fever, which would last 24 to 48 hours, and they're done. I just vaccinated my grandson, 6 years old. He was fine the next day. Some kids are a little tired, and the parents let them take off, so that's always a bonus for them.
Yes, great.
But for the most part, no, we've put over 1,200 shots in arms of 5-year-olds to 12, and we've had no severe reactions.
Beautiful, thank you. So let me ask this question. How do the children react to coming and getting vaccinated?
Actually, they like it because we make it fun. We have a different theme every few weeks. Like right now we're in the Disney theme, so we put on Mickey Mouse ears, we dress like Disney characters, we have crayons for them. When they're done, they get like an ice pack for their arm, they get cotton candy that we make right there, popcorn that we make right there, and they each get to pick out a little toy out of a box, and they get a lollipop. So most of the time after their first shot, when they're leaving, they're like, I can't wait to come back for my second. So it kind of makes them forget about the little sting they got.
I wish I had that experience when I would get vaccinated.
The adults complain they don't get that, but.
Thank you.